Ever pondered starting your own haunted attraction? A thrilling venture awaits. Let's explore the 3 key steps. Starting at number 3, it's all about research. The world of spooks and scares is vast, and knowing your ghosts is crucial. Evaluate your local market. Are there existing haunted attractions? How popular are they? What do they offer? This information is the crystal ball you need. Sources for this research could be online reviews, social media buzz, or even local newspapers. Remember, every scream and every shudder is a potential customer. Understanding your market is key to success, but what's next? Moving on to number 2, planning your haunted attraction. The secret to a spine-chilling spectacle lies in meticulous planning and design. Think about what makes your blood curdle, then amplify that. Create a unique experience that's not just about the scares, but the story. Consider the layout, the theme, the characters, and the surprises that will keep your visitors on edge. With a solid plan in place, you're ready for the final step. And finally, at number 1, execution. This is where your haunted house comes to life. Sourcing spine-chilling props, hiring actors who can deliver a good scare, and promoting your attraction effectively are all key elements. Every detail matters here, from the cobwebs in the corners to the ghoulish screams in the night. With these 3 steps, you're well on your way to creating a thrilling haunted attraction. Before you go, remember this: knowledge is power in the haunted attraction world. For more business insights as crazy as this one, subscribe to Insane Insights. Until next time, keep those entrepreneurial spirits high.